Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum really suffered today from this strong sell-off. Bitcoin, yeah, a little bit affected, but really not much. And Ether, though, yeah, quite strongly affected. So we want to talk about that here in this video. Let me just check something. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Okay, so Ether is still in this pattern, in this yellow wave count, sold off after it showed us a first 5-wave decrease into the Wednesday low, a 3-wave rally in a wave 2 off C into the Thursday high, which was printed at $3,615, and now this could be the C wave to the downside, which appears to need one more lower low. Okay, and that could be it. And yeah, I believe the 2,976 level is indeed going to be tested. We highlighted that before. This is obviously a level that ideally does hold to maintain an overall directly bullish impulsive posture on this chart. A break below it will challenge that a little bit. It won't make the chart bearish overall on the daily time frame, but it will definitely not make it easier, and it will complicate things a bit. Either way, we don't have a low in place at the moment, at least no confirmed low. And I shared already earlier today, I think it was in the previous video maybe, I did share actually that the resistance level that is now relevant, micro resistance, you see it there actually on the chart, that this is located at $3,311, and it takes a break above the same to indicate that a low of sorts is in place. Let's just double check if that's still correct. Yeah, because if this is a C wave to the downside, we have a 1, 2, 3, okay, and the 4, 5 is still missing in the C wave, and the fourth wave shouldn't really go above the 3,311 level. So you might say that, okay, but if it's an ABC, then yeah, it needs one more low, doesn't it? So why do we need a resistance area? Well, you can always turn into something different. It is possible that what we're dealing, it's just that an ABC structure is the most likely scenario normally. So it could be a WXY pattern that's unfolding here easily. There are still other patterns that could, I mean, there is so much stuff that this is a corrective structure still. And until we get a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback, there is no reliable low. So it's still possible that, yeah, I mean, this might have just been, instead of an ABC, it might have been a W, X, Y. And the Y wave is an A, B, C. And then the low could already be in, right? So if we break above that level, that could be it. Another interpretation I thought about, but then really today's low needs to hold. If it, for example, doesn't break out impulsively to the upside, it could be that this is a triangle. A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. I mean, that is another possibility. But let's first see if we get a lower high. I mean, first of all, that low needs to hold. Today's intraday low at $3,079. And then the next rally needs to be a lower high, and the E wave needs to be a higher low. That's just something to be very much aware of. Until then, yeah, I mean, resistance is clear. I think as long as resistance is holding, I would assume one more low to 2,976 at least. Below that level, I've got 2,789 as the next support level. And even if we break above 3,311, it takes a break above the next high, which is the Thursday high at 3,615. And a break above the B wave high at 3,730 as further confirmation that a low is in place. It would be helpful for the price, yeah, not to break below 2,976, but it first takes a break above micro resistance. Until then, yeah, we have to prepare for further downside or even further sideways consolidation in this triangle. The only way that Ether can really give us a reliable signal for a low is a 5-wave move up above that initial resistance level, followed by a 3-wave pullback. Then we can be watching for further upside, yeah, and then possibly already in an already unfolding 5th wave to the upside. That's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, Make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.